Well, guys, welcome to my channel. Today is week 38, Tuesdays in the Attic. So it's the sketch we're going to play with. It's also CraftiQ. This is late. I'm posting this late. My motivation has been super low. Super low. So I apologize. But seeing all the awesome people who were ready for the CraftiQ hop this month when I was not made me very happy. It made me very appreciative. So I have got, for the CraftiQ, I'm just going to tell you what all the layers are. I'll post it here as well. So it was stencil a background on white cardstock. So I've got my brand new stencil from the Stencil of the Month Club from Scrapping Reflections shop, which is awesome. It reminds me of Heidi Swap paper from, I think it was like Hawthorne, 31 and Hawthorne or something like that. So I'm like super excited because I really liked that paper. So you can do whatever you want. So I'm going to stencil this entire white cardstock with this stencil. I just have, and some Distress Oxides. I just don't know what yet. So that's layer one. Do a large photo, larger than 4x6. I have this awkward shaped photo. It's probably 4 by, I probably could just measure it for you. Yeah, 4 by 8. I thought this would be fun. I grabbed some things from my Say Cheese Tomorrow at the Park kit, and I left some things out because I know I don't need some of the things. So I really liked the fact that they are, my son, it was end of the school year for first grade. They got to go to the Children's Museum for something. I don't know if they earned it or if it was a planned field trip. I can't remember. But they did that. They went to like a nature center that day. They did lots of things. And they are working together using the pulley system. Or no, crank. I don't remember. But it's this fun construction site. And it's teamwork. So I had a giant T, which I think it was supposed to be. No, I lost it apparently. Oh, there it is. Which I think was probably supposed to be part of a word. But I accidentally was just given the T. So we're going to use that for the beginning of our title. And I think I'm going to put teamwork. And then I've got some other ephemera bits that I thought looked fun. One was the gears, which is good. Fun ahead, and this little crane eyeball guy. It's all, the Say Cheese Tomorrow at the Park is all very Toy Story-esque. So I grabbed the washi, which is also gears. We'll see what else we can do with that. Okay, layer, big, 2, 1, 2, done. Journaling around the border, easy, I can do that. Hearts as a featured shape. Why I did this to myself, I don't know. Adding texture, green. So I grabbed this paper, and I have this paper that we're going to for sure use, and 3 creatures. So I gotta try and find my creatures. There's no twist this month. I could just feel that it was going to be a low ambition month. So I'm going to stencil. Like I said, I don't really know what yet, but I really liked the idea that they, in this photo, we're cranking on some gears and on this pulley system. That's my son. And I'm using the sketch. So this is going to be my main strip of paper. This is going to take place of the photos, obviously. And I don't think I'm going to do that other layer of paper that was like in the middle of that. But I think I am going to border this with some green on either side. We're going to matte my photo in black. We're going to matte the whole layout in black. I got these in a recent Peachy Cheap grab box. So there are some hearts and there's some icons that it's all Simple Stories Say Cheese, so very similar colors. So I can use things like having a blast, these hearts, these circle things, and probably won't use those. Smiles from ear to ear. I can use that heart. I can use the camera. Big smiles, that has a heart on it. fun this way. That yellow's not really the same. We'll see. So yeah, I can use some of these. So I'm going to use that. So I need to find some creatures, which, do we count this eyeball as a creature? We'll see what I can find. I need to find 3 creatures, some texture, which I think I'm going to grab some tissue paper, and some more hearts, alphas for to finish my title, and I need to figure out what I'm stenciling. Let me do those things, and I'll check back with you when I've got something. All right, you guys, I went ahead and just created and didn't worry about filming all of it just because I didn't have the time. So I created some layers by adding some, instead of having the 3 photos like in the sketch, I added a couple pocket cards. I created my texture by adding some tissue paper. I found a light blue. I've got some hearts. I have these awesome enamel, they're like enamel dots, and they have bugs inside of them. I dropped a yellow one and now I can't find it. I was going to use that one instead of the pink, but at the same time, I don't care. So then those will be my creatures. So I'm going to sprinkle those around because they're kind of similar colors. They are from Shadney's shop. I love them. They're my last few, so I'm going to use those up, which is awesome. I found this blue label that I had from Ellie's studio. I thought about putting this awesome up here as well. I might, just to keep, I don't want to go cover my fringe up, but just to keep. Or do I put it over here? Actually, yeah. That's cute. Just some other random things to use up, and it looks good, so why not, right? Okay, so we'll add this awesome. I thought about using some of these, but I think they're all too pale in color. I grabbed some of those foam thickers like I said I would. Thought about tucking some more of these hearts, these puffy hearts in. I might, but I also have these pink paisley mirrored hearts, and I thought those might be fun to add in. I was gonna look to see what it looked like. They're all kind of big though. Oh, I gotta do my title yet. Yeah, maybe they're too big. I kind of just need some sprinkly bits now. Just some sprinkly bits. So let's get these enamel bugs. And so obviously it changed a little bit with how the sketch was, because there were supposed to be 3 photos. The title was over here. I don't have a lot of room for a title over here. And so I just kind of shifted things. So that's cluster they had with the title, I moved it up because I put my bigger cluster and title over here. And then I shifted that cluster up. So that's something you can do. Like I've said before, sketches are a good jumping off point. You don't have to stick to it exactly. Like it's fine to veer. It's good to veer, because then you're not stuck. I just want a few more hearts. I think I got enough now. I think there's enough. My creatures don't match anything, but I don't care. And my journaling's all about teamwork and how they work together as a class. So that is done. Alright, you guys, now that you didn't get to watch me do all the fun stuff, you got to watch me struggle. I will leave you to it. thank you so much for tuning in and watching, and I appreciate you all, and we'll see you next time. Bye.